So I just got my new AirPods 3. They promise to be like external cybernetics for you, like you're living in the future. So let's talk about it. The box looks just like the AirPods 2 or AirPods Pro box. It's Apple packaging. But so I'm going to pull the two strips on the bottom. Generally always a good day when you see designed with Apple in California. You have your getting started guide and your warranty and things like that. But I was like, guys, there's no Apple stickers. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys do with your Apple stickers? So now onto the main attraction. Oh, actually, I think there's extra things in here. Hey, look at that. You get a USB-C to lightning cable. They're no longer shipping that annoying USB-A cable. USB-C, all the things. It would be nice if the AirPods were USB-C, but I guess this is a nice step towards that. And so they have outside packaging. For comparison, this is a pair of AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro on this side, AirPods 3 on this side. And then here's the AirPods 2. So they look nice. They're nice and shiny. After a while, you get little bits of scratches and stuff like that on your case, where these are still nice and shiny and pretty. So I'm gonna pop them out. And you should get a connection prompt on your Apple device because these sync automatically through your Apple ecosystem once you connect it to your iCloud network. And if this happens where it says you need an update, you can either go through the update or just say set up with limited functionality. Although one thing I noticed is that the left AirPod tolerance between the housing and the earbud is a little looser than the right AirPod. They're slightly off, where my AirPods 2 are like perfect seal around the outside. They have like a small little ridge. For comparison, here's my AirPods Pro. They look just like the AirPods Pro, but without the rubber tips. So I wonder if you took off the rubber tip, if they would be the same shape. They look about the same shape, except for the AirPods Pro earbud is much wider. And of course, then you have the diaphragm exposed. Jeez. See, that's a problem with the AirPods Pro that the AirPods 3 don't have. Okay, there we go. Got it. They do snap pretty easily back on. To go on the AirPods Pro, I really like the ones from Comply foam that help with bounce back and give you that much better fit in your ears. I'll have all the affiliate things we talked about linked in the video description. Gonna try them on. They seem like they fit a little bit bigger. AirPods 2 seem to fit different. I'm gonna try an AirPods 3 and then an AirPods 2 also. Yeah, the AirPods 3 piece that goes in your ear is a little bit bigger because it's gonna be interesting for talking and things like that. So podcast listening. So it wasn't something with audio criticality, because if I was gonna do that, I would do something else using one of my reference pair of headphones. I'll have a link in the video description, my favorite headphones and earbuds and everything audio playlist. So I'm just gonna play back a song that I've been working on. I would say that the AirPods 2 don't have as tight of bass, and in comparison to the new AirPods have much fuller sound stage. They sound good. You know what they remind me of? They sound similar to the AirPods Pro, except for being open back instead of closed back, if you're to use audiophile analogy. Open back would be like so you can hear everything because they don't block off sound, which could be bad or good depending on what you're doing. If you're in a classroom and you want to be able to hear the instructor, or running somewhere and you want to be able to hear cars coming, then that's good. Or annoying if you're trying to study and you're in the library, noise canceling can be helpful. But I'm super excited for the much longer battery life and MagSafe charging. So if you have a new iPhone, but they should last you much longer than the AirPods 2 because they have a 30-hour battery life with the case, or a 6-hour battery life when you're using them with microphones for dictation and doing your Zoom conferences and distance learning and asynchronous lectures, walking around all day, easily forgetting that I have them in my ears. What is your favorite headphones? Leave your comments down below and like and share because it really does help. Watch this next.